Step into the 2007 Chevrolet Malibu. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include traction control, front-wheel drive, wheel covers, steel wheels, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, automatic headlights, daytime running lights and bucket seats. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.